Hello everybody. I'm gonna talk about Arhaus Credit Card. And firstly, I'm on the arhaus.com/pages/Arhaus Credit Card website. And if you have get benefits of Arhaus Credit Card, and you need to apply this credit card, and you can apply in store. And as you see on the main page here, you can click apply in store. After this, you can see the store addresses states by states. For example, in Alabama, you can see the store of the you can see the address of the store in Birmingham, for example. And also Arizona, you can see two addresses here. They are in Biltmore and Kirtland. And also as you see, there are many stores. You can visit these stores to apply Arhaus credit card. And after your application, you can have many benefits of Arhaus credit card. Maybe, as you know, Arhaus credit card is issued by Community Bank, and its members have many benefits such as special financing plans, and its convenient minimum monthly payments, and also special savings events, and convenient payment options, and online account access. And there is no annual fee for using the Arhaus credit card. And now I want to show you how to log in your account and how to create an Arhaus.com. As you see, there is many, and you can create an account on Arhaus.com. And for this, you need to click the create account here. And also, you have already an account, you can click sign in button. But firstly, I want to show you how to create an account on Arhaus.com. As you see, I'm on arhaus.com/account/register now, and you can create your account easily. You need to type your first name, last name, your email, and password. And after this, maybe you need to confirm your email on your email address, and then your account will be active, I think. And after this, you can visit back the main page again. And also, you can, if you have already an account, you need to click sign in button here. And this for login, you just need to type your email and your password. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please like and share my videos. Thank you. See you. Bye.